Airline, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Heh. Nigga, who taught you? No lie, that's what they asking. My whole life's view was fashion, flashing, and rapping. Now just like you, a nigga only imagine. So I head to the booth, grabbed the mic, and made it happen. Jamaica, I was designed. 518, I reside. I spit it so refined. These niggas wanna resign. Recline with your feline. Bet she let me behind. The thing she do is beyond wildest imaginations. I need a solid gold Rolex, not for timing, bitch. Ironically, so these niggas know just what time it is. My policy was to kill these niggas with kindness, but boy, I'm steady reminded that these niggas ain't nice as him lyrically. I'm uplifted spiritually. This girl I just met, yeah, we got some good chemistry. It's sorta scary, far from ordinary. When she suited up, that red dress had a nigga second guessing, was I even worthy? Woo, I'm in love with the music. Fourth mixtape, here shit, I'm sure I done proved it. Aim was to raise the bar, boy, I'm sure I done moved it. Jay, you looking like a star off the set of a movie. You stupid, but really, Jay, I know you gon' kill it. You silly, listen here, you got it, you own it. My nigga, really, ain't nobody fucking with ya. Sounds cliche, but your lyrics so illy. The people fucking with me, can't deny, I really love it. They're showing me respect when I'm riding out in public. Your mother, sister, auntie, man, I swear the ladies love me. I say it every verse, well it's true, I am so lucky. And the ladies, I love them back when these niggas really be hating. These women that have my back, energy concentrated on putting niggas on maps. Hope niggas contemplating on hopping off on my sack. To whom it concerns, you truly should learn. I'm nice with nouns and verbs, I laid out my words like I'm spitting it ill, you feeling my words, right? I'm giving them chills, I think I should chill. Psych, to keep killing these niggas was a decision that I made. And as you see, I'm grilling them with precision. Nigga, play your position. See, my only intention is to school. Little nigga, listen, pay your tuition. Bet you hate me now, your mission is to break me down. Your missus be my mistress. With permission, I will make her frown. Do I deserve the crown? Of that I am for certain now. Rappers press play on my tapes, bet they hurting now. Yeah, bet they hurting now. Do I deserve the crown? I'm gonna let y'all be the judge of that. Airline, what's up? What's up?